My administration has accomplished more than almost any administration in the history of our country. America's so true. Didn't expect that reaction, but that's okay. With support from many countries here today, we have engaged with North Korea to replace the specter of conflict with a bold and new push for peace. We defend many of these nations for nothing, and then they take advantage of us by giving us high oil prices. Not good. Not good. Iran's neighbors have paid a heavy toll for the region's agenda of aggression and expansion. America is governed by Americans. We reject the ideology of globalism, and we embrace the doctrine of patriotism.